paper towel drawing.
Show them what it is. Let me see. So we have rainbow colors here, and we're gonna make a rainbow with the paper towel. So we're gonna stick one end in and the other end in. Whoa, watch it go.
Yeah.
How cool is that?
Wow, it's forming already.
Oh, here, Julian. Wait a second, bud. We'll do yours next, Kay.
Whoa, Mom,
Gotta let it keep going.
it already formed it a little bit, huh?
Yeah, thank you, Julian. Let's see. That's really cool. Here, put yours in here. Let me help you. There you go. Push it down in. Wow, this is really cool. We're forming a rainbow. Uh-oh.
It's almost formed.
I know, I see that. We're almost there. What do you think, Julian?
It's cool, huh?
That is really cool. Oh, that's okay. It's okay. Okay, let it stay in there. See, look how all the colors mix down in here. Okay, that might have impacted it.
Yeah. Do I know what they're in there?
Next time, maybe we have to make two. All right. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Alexander and Julian's Adventures.